Yeah. Hey, Big Hingy. The biggest. Bitch.
It's your girl Fawn, and we back with another video. Today gonna be a little different. We actually gonna do something today. Gassing up the car. Had to stop somewhere, and then we are taking the kids to the beach. Have a little fun for the day. So we're gonna go to here. You know, I got my little hibiscus tea. I heard it help when you got high blood pressure and stuff like that. So this is literally what I be getting. Like when I want to drink some water, this be my go-to. They like $4, almost $4 at Walmart. So I be having to get that, just so I can drink some water.
I'll get a bottle.
A bottle? Yeah, we gotta get us another one. We gotta get some more. We gotta get one more.
Like I'll press on the same and go up.
Had to stop by Dollar General and get some like drinks and shit like that. I forgot a towel, so we grabbed that shit. Now we only getting ready to get on the road.
So fucking put me at the three, fucking put me at the three. You niggas ever wanted, we was sporting it. I ain't never give a fuck about it. You gotta get this out of here. No.
Have made it to Jacksonville Beach. Look at the view. Baby girl, she just woke up. So. Yeah. Y'all, I have not been to the beach in forever.
Put the chair down.
Yeah, over there. No, over there.
Oh, wow.
Cotton already went out there. Y'all see that little orange shirt out there? That's Kai. Here we go. We ain't been to a beach in so long, like I was saying. Look at this. People drawing in the dirt. Look at it. Whoever did it.
Want to warn you, be careful.
Why?
Cause I got foot.
That water cold as hell, ain't it? Come on, Sadie. Sadie's don't even want to get out. Sadie's want to get attached to somebody here. Ain't that right, Sadie? She being bougie. She just woke up. Y'all see Kai right there. And then oh yeah, that water cold. That water cold, man. She's scared, y'all. She's scared. Sadie. said she don't want to get in the water. Say, hey, Sadie. She not. Gotcha. Where Jay went? Where Jay had went? Y'all see the wave? And Sadie's scared. Sadie don't want nothing to do with none of it. Look y'all. They out here enjoying themselves. They go Kai. Y'all, this so peaceful. Oh shit! That almost knocked us over, y'all. That almost knocked us over. I almost lost y'all. They got on my phone. But when I tell y'all this so peaceful, if only we can have a blunt, it would have been so much better. But them waves getting bigger and bigger. But I got my little THC in. Cold. Sadie's over here shaking. She's scared. She don't want that water to touch her at all.
I want to find time.
Yeah. Y'all. We got our friend and me having that boy having too much fun. He over there making dirt angels and shit. What you say? What you gotta say? We just walking. Y'all see that big ass thing? Y'all see these waves? They almost knocked us over. And Sadie's keep trying to climb me like I'm a damn tree. I almost had a heart attack. We was over here in the water, and my phone fell completely out my goddamn shirt, y'all, into the water. And a whole wave came and everything. I picked the phone up and shook it off, and it still worked like regular. It still worked like regular. Ain't nothing stopped working. So I guess it's safe to say that the 16 Pro Max is waterproof, right? Cause any phone that said waterproof, I ain't never like believed the shit like that, cause shit still be messing up. But yeah, y'all, I almost had a damn heart attack. But we finna go to this car. We finna have us a little smoke session, y'all. So, and I got a key and ain't no bathroom nowhere near. I'm so mad because we near private, like a private residence place. So you got to live there in order to. Are you leaving? Hi, are you leaving? No. It was cold out here, but it's starting to get all hot. This girl had a whole panic attack because she thinking somebody finna take her sandwich.
My toes can't take it.
Watch out, say.
Ooh, that sandwich look good.
Right? She worried about somebody taking it. She don't want nobody to take it. this girl here take a pause to play in some dirt, and then she gonna be complaining later about how her hands dirty. Ain't that right, Sadis? We're gonna try to go back down there again. We got warned. Coming down with me, Sadis? Come back, Sadis.
Who put me? That's all pushing me back.
Nothing don't work, you feel me? We always just feel it. All these goddamn birds. All these motherfuckers.
Sat there looking at
I tried to tell her to come home. By the time I tried to come on, I kept floating back, and I'm like, she ain't my saying. By the time I get out there, I'll be back on the bank. I can't just say your mom. Why? She was coming. She was over there looking like, I was watching me fall. First time, she was funny. She was funny.
She looking like that shit ain't funny, bro. Y'all, we is done swimming and playing in the water, all that other stuff. We is drained. Baby girl even got wet. She back here knocked out, as you see. The boys still playing in the water. We finna go get them right now. Get them dry and all that other stuff so they don't bring dirt in the car. Then we finna go find us something to eat. I think we finna go get us some Golden Corral, because we wanted to do a buffet. So we're gonna go to Golden Corral. And I ain't had Golden Corral since I was like young, so it's been a good little minute since I had Golden Corral. So we gonna go there. Probably gonna smoke on the way, and then we gonna head on home. Like, we all enjoyed ourselves. We had ourselves a good old time. It's been a minute since we done been to a beach. You know, the kids had other kids to play with, so it was a fun time. This was Mercedes' first time going to the beach, but they enjoyed themselves. I enjoyed myself. Now we probably gonna pass out as soon as we get home, gonna go to sleep. But y'all, my allergies been acting up. And my eye swollen. I don't know if y'all can tell. My eye swollen. My face feels swollen, like just right here. But Y'all, I don't want to take no medicine. I hate taking medicine. Medicine make me so sleepy, like I can't operate throughout the day. So I try not to take no medicine. But y'all, I might get back with y'all when we on the way to the restaurant. And I'll let y'all see the little drive and woo-de-woo. Okay. This is where we decided to go instead, y'all. And we ended up changing our location again, y'all. So now we eating at a Southern Country Buffet, and it looks so nice.